look, I think making money online is easy, but that's because I'm comparing it to working a job, which I think is like deathly difficult, right? Some of you might think working a job's easy. Some of you might think going to college is easy. I dropped out of high school. I think school's hard. I don't know how people get through college. You know, I just read a stat that 41 million people in America started college and dropped out right now actively. So like, it's hard. I think internet marketing is easy because I'm comparing it to what I see other people do that is hard. Like right now it's raining outside and the construction crew is working. They're in the rain. They're literally outside in the rain and working heavy equipment and walking around in the mud with big old boots. Like, to me, that's 100 times harder than me chilling in here. To me, internet marketing is the easiest money that I could imagine. And it's like, to learn this stuff, it's a fraction of school. Like, I'm a high school dropout and I was able to make millions with this stuff. And I'm a slow learner. It's just, look, to me, it's easy. However, to some of you, it might be hard. So I want you to understand that if it were truly easy, then everybody would be rich, right? Everybody would have made $1 million if it were truly easy, truly. But I don't think it's the work that we do that's difficult. I think it's your mindset that's difficult, right? Your mindset complicates it.